Kasabay ng pagdilim ng kalawakan, ang pagkawala ng kislap ng mga bituin, ni hindi ko alam kung paano ba makakatakas sa dilim.
Yeah, spark shit, you know what it is.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-uumpisa. Kung paano ko umpisahan ikwento to, kung bakit dumating na naman ako sa puntong to. Masyado nang marami nangyari. At parang masyado na rin naguguluhan yung isip ko, kaya parang nawawalan na ako ng pag-asa, laban na naman to. Akala ko kasi pag nahanap ko na yung best version ng sarili ko, magtutuloy-tuloy na maging okay lahat. Ayun pala, may darating pa rin na pangyayari na biglang magbabago ng bagay na yun. Pero kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, whatever happens, it happens. Sanay na rin naman ako sa gantong punto. Kasi ang goal talaga ng mundo, pahirapan ako. Para siguro i-test kung gaano ako naging matibay sa 4 na taon na paglaban ko. Umalis na naman yung taong nasasandalan at takbuhan ko. Bakit ba kasi ganun? Kung sino pa yung mabait at maluwag sa lahat, siya palagi yung naiiwan at nasasaktan sa uli. Siya palagi yung talo. At minsan, siya yung nagiging mali. Pero ganito siguro talaga yung realidad ng mundo. Hindi halos lahat ng tao nakapaligid sa'yo ay totoo sa'yo. Yung iba, ipapakita sa'yo na okay sila sa'yo. Pero sa oras na tumalikod ka na sa kanila, doon na sila may sasabihin sa'yo patago. Yung pangakong mananatili hanggang huli, malabo na yan. Para bang nawalan na ako ng tiwala kapag naririnig ko yung salitang yan. Kasi kung may tiwala sila sa'yo at handa silang manatili hanggang huli, hindi sila basta-basta maniniwala sa mga bagay na naririnig nila galing sa ibang tao. 2 beses na ako nabigo. Una sa grado, ngayon sa tao. Ang unfair talaga ng mundo para sa akin. Pero kagaya nga ng sinabi nila, memory stays, people don't. Tanging memorya na lang yung madadala natin hanggang huli. Pero yung mga tao, aalis at aalis din yung mga yan. Losing hope in everything, losing interest in everything. Kasi I kind of feel lost, to be honest. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina dun sa preview is, I thought when I found that best version of me, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be better. Natuloy-tuloy, but binagsakan na naman ako with another things and shit. It's like, damn. Which is, yun naman talaga yung number 1 goal, I think. Number 1 goal talaga ng mundo na pahirapan ako. Just to test out how really strong am I? How really brave am I to face all of those challenges alone again? Well, I'm not alone. Kasi alam naman ng family ko yung pinagdadaanan ko. And yun, kaya I'm not alone in this fight anymore. I have them, but sanay ako eh. Sanay ako na I was doing it all alone. Don't mind the barking outside, dude. Pero yun nga, I'm losing hope at everything. Losing hope, losing interest at everything. Like, I kind of feel lost right now. And I still didn't know what to do, no? I'm lost in translation. Like, I have no really idea. Really. I have no idea what am I gonna do next. Kung ano yung next move ko, ano yung next strategy ko, whatsoever, like, god dang shit. I really don't have any idea what am I gonna do next. I'm totally confused right now kung ano ba talaga yung dapat ko pang gawin at yung makakasolve nung bagay na yun. Kasi, kind of feel lost. Like, dude, I lost my energy, I lost love, I lost my magnificent academic performance. Like, you know, kinda lost it all. Parang ganun na nga. parang nawala na naman sa lahat. But I read a comment. Ito mag-preview siya. And I really don't remember too much about you. But I appreciate it. Super na-appreciate ko yung bagay na yun. And don't worry, man. Don't worry, dude. It's me, your boyfriend. Can handle everything. You know what I'm saying, man. Parang hindi nyo naman ako kalala for the past 5 years, 6 years na pagiging content creator ko. I've been through a lot of problems, okay? I've been through a lot of challenges na ako lang. So I gladly and thankfully pass through all of those things. Fine, di ba? Nakalabas ako dun, okay ako, nakalabas dun ako na buo ako, like, walang something sa akin, no? Kaya, it's all good. I'm thankful with it. And I really appreciate you, dude. So, man, really appreciate you, dude. Big salute sa'yo. Yeah. That grade that I got last time, no, episode 84 ata yun, I think 85 na kasi to, it really disappointed me. Kasi, it doesn't define my intelligence, yes, but it defined my strength. Me, as a kid who wanted to prove each and every one na nakapaligid sa akin na I'm strong, I'm brave, you know? I mean, that is the thing that I want to prove to each and every one na nakapaligid sa akin. But since I dropped it, din-drop ko yung subject na yun because I can't freaking handle it. Kumbaga parang hindi kaya ng katawan ko. Or sabihin na natin medyo nangihina ako or nawawalan ako ng lakas ng loob that time. And because of that, it disappointed me na nakita ko yung 5 na grade na yun na yeah, it doesn't define my intelligence. It defined my strength. Why? Kasi sa NSTP or ROTC is you all gonna do. Kung ipupush mo dun ipapakita mo dun yung strength mo yung power, di ba? Kasi physical activities yon. So, it really defines my strength. Ngayon, medyo, kita nyo naman, lumalapad ang muka, lumalapad din ang katawan. Because you know your boy is still working out. Naka-1 linggo na naman akong vacant. Tapos kanina, nabakante ko yung abdominal core and forearm ko kasi may pinuntahan ako. But for tomorrow, I'm gonna do it. No? Kasama yung back and chest. I mean, calves and leg tomorrow. So, tomorrow morning, gonna go jogging. Tapos, diretso buhat for the abdominal core and forearm. And then legs and calves. Yun. Just go with the flow. It's like I said, whatever happens, it happens. I'm just only trusting the process right now. Kasi it's part of the process na rin naman. Kaya, I believe in it. Na someday it will be worth it. So yeah. From those people that I lost along the way, na I'm glad na may nabuong memories about those things. About those people. Pero, just like I used to say, memory stays, but people don't. That's why I really can't imagine that happen. Pero next episode na yun. Sabi ko na yung title kaya 2 beses ka na nasasabi yung title. Kaya, hulaan nyo na lang. Pag nahulaan nyo, nakapakagaling nyo talaga, no? Pero yun nga, ulitin ko lang ulit, I'm losing hope at everything. Losing interest, lost in translation. I kind of feel lost. Pero, I'm just going with the flow right now. Kumbaga kung ano yung mangyari na lang. Hindi na ako mag-expect na sobra-sobra. Like, kung mag-expect ako ng sobrang taas, tapos hindi yun yung makuha kong result, it's just gonna disappoint me, man. It's just gonna hurt my feelings. Kaya, katang-tama na lang muna yung expectation na ibibigay ko sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa ko. But, you know, let's go with the flow. So yun lang, guys. If you like this video, please drop a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell at gusto mo shoutout. comment down below and ask to shoutout po. And I'll pick 5 person and I'll shout out them to the end of the video. So yun guys, peace out and signing off. See you guys sa next vlog. So March na tayo, magkikita ulit, man. Grabe. March 2. Yee! Another chapter of our life, man. Hopefully March would be better. I hope. But yun na nga. Goodbye guys. See you guys sa next episode. Peace out. Signing off. Bye-bye.